translate percent problems into proportions and solve proportions. So proportions are two fractions that are set equal to each other. So we are going to set this up as a percent over 100, and it's going to equal our part over our total. Now there are different ways of writing this, is over of, part over whole, but the concepts are the same. So 78%, we would write as 78 over 100. That's our percentage. The of will always give us our total. So if it's of 77, that's going to go in the denominator. This is part is your part. I don't know what that is. So that x goes in your numerator. For the second problem, what percent? I don't know, so we're going to use a variable. Let's say y. Y over 100. It's of 60. That is my denominator. And it is going to be 5.8. That's going to be my numerator. Part, whole, percent. So to solve proportions, we cross multiply. So we're going to take the denominator and we're going to multiply it to the opposite numerator. 100 times x is 100x. 78 times 77 gives us 6,006. We divide by 100 because that's the opposite of multiplying. And our answer is 60.06. For the second problem, same math. 60 times y is going to give me 60y. 100 times 5.8 is 580. And then 580 divided by 60 is going to give me 9.66 repeating. So here's the deal. This is asking for a percentage. Because we used a fraction and a proportion to set this up, your answer is already set up as a percentage. So depending on whether you're using equations or proportions, it does make a difference on whether or not you'll need to do a second step. And now let's practice more problems. 40% is 40 over 100. The of is your denominator. So the denominator is 27. And we are looking for our numerator. Second problem, 20% goes over 100. It's of what? I don't know. So we'll make that our denominator. And it is 79. That's our numerator. And then number 3, what's the percent? I don't know. Let's use z. It's of 25. That's going to be our denominator. And it is 50. So 50 is in our numerator. And now all of these just have to be cross multiplied to figure out our answers. So the first one, 40 times 27 is 1080. That's equal to 100x. And if we divide by 100, we get 10.8. For the second one, we cross multiply. We get 20y equals 7,900. 7,900 divided by 20. We have 395, which is a whole, so that should typically be larger than 79. And then the third one, same process, 25 times z equals 5,000. And if we divide by 25, we get 200. So, just like before, we're asking for a percent because we are using proportions. Our answer is in percent form. So all we have to do is add that, and we're good.